afternoon, ma'am. Our topic this day is all about what I have learned about ICT hardware component. So, what is computer hardware and why is it important? So, computer hardware is the physical part of a computer that you can touch, like the monitor, keyboard, and hard drive. Is important because it's the foundation of many computer systems. Without hardware, software cannot run and you can interact with the computer. So next is what are input devices. Give example and their uses. Input devices are tools that allow you to feed information or instruction into a computer. Here are some common example. Number 1 is keyboard, used to typing text and commands. Number 2 is mouse for pointing, clicking and dragging object on the screen. Third is microscope, record audio, allowing to speak to the computer or make recording. Number 5 is next is scanner. What scanner is convert physical documents or image into digital formats. Next is webcam, capture video and images, often used for video calls or recording. Next is touch screen, allows to direct interaction with the screen by touching it. Next is joystick, used for controlling movement and in games or simulation. So next is what are the input devices, how they help user. So output devices are hardware that display, print, or play result of computer processing. They can translate digital information into a human understandable form like text, image, sounds, or physical output. Next is what the processing devices do. Why are the CPU and GPU important? Processing devices manipulate data to perform tasks. The CPU or CP or Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer, handling in general purpose tasks. And the next is GPU. GPU po is a graphics processing unit. So excels the parallel processing, making it crucial for the graphics intensive tasks like a gaming and the video editing. Next is how do storage devices like HDD, SSD, and USB differ. HDD is the hard disk drives, store data on spanning patterns, making them affordable but slower. SSD is a solid-state drives, use flash memory, offering much faster speeds but a higher cost. So next is USB. Familiar sa itong USB, no? USB po is the flash drive, are small, foldable, and use flash memory, ideal for transferring data but with limited storage capacity compared to HDDs and SSDs. So next is how the touch screen work at both input and output devices. So kanina po sino is touch screen work by having a special coating on the screen that reacts when you touch it. This touch is then registered as input, and the device responds by changing what is displayed on the screen, acting as output. So next po is why is SSD better than HDD in some cases. SSDs are generally better than HDDs because they're much faster, more durable, and uses less power. This means quicker boot times, smoother performance, and longer battery life for laptops. However, SSDs more expensive per unit or storage. So, how to device connect using USB and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi? So, USB po is devices connect via or physical cable, transferring data and sometimes power. So, both Bluetooth po is devices connect wireless over short distance.